Dear students, in this video, I will discuss about the importance of preparation or preparing an outline when you go for an oral presentation. So how important is to be prepared before you step up in front of the audience to deliver on an organized content. As we can see here, an outline is a mechanical framework in which we fit the bits and pieces of the presentation material. See, whenever you are going for a presentation on any topic or you are going to discuss anything with a set of people, it is very important that you have a mechanical framework or you chalk out a pattern or the highlights or the main points that you have in your mind to talk about. And later on, you can add sub points and further insights to the headings that you have once planned. And this is what is preparing an outline or the preparation basically for an effective oral presentation. It serves as a guide to show the right path for the presentation. See, any topic that you pick has a lot to talk about. You can go from north to south or talk endlessly or just talk about examples or talk about practical application or talk about definitions or talk about the previous work on any topic that you pick. So what exactly would you want to talk in your presentation in terms of the time that you have allotted, in terms of what is more important or what is your focus, is what you mean by preparing an outline. You cannot talk like in 1 hour everything about a topic. You have to keep in your mind and then jot down the highlights of your presentation or the main points that you will cover. Example, if you are the project leader of a team which has taken up a project on developing a new product for the company, then you have to present before a committee the new product which is going to be launched in the market. Now here you can see a condition where you are a project leader or head of the team which is developing, which is providing a new product to the market. And once you have designed how the product will be, then you have to present it before the committee so that they approve, so that they agree to the design, that it is practically possible and appropriate, and then it can be launched in the market. So in this you have to justify, you have to prove to the people your work. So this may be a 10-minute presentation. Suppose you have got 10 minutes to present your work about the facilities the product offers, its functioning, etc. And in this short time, I would say of just 10 minutes, you have to discuss what are the benefits, what are the offers, what this product will help you, and how this product functions, how it works in a short time. So you cannot just go with describing the parts, each and every detail, and just cannot keep on talking about it. You have to tell this in short, that how the product actually functions, so that the committee is able to understand that you have actually done a lot of work and your product is actually appropriate, or it's something that is new to be launched. So you only have to tell the utility and operation of the product in a short time of 10 minutes. Then this outline can be in the form of words, phrases, or sentences. And so you are free how you do this, by using either some words that are very catchy, or by an image where you can show the operation how this is done, or by sentences showing how the steps in order to operate the product. And then you can classify this presentation in terms of the heads like introduction, where you can tell what your product is, product appearance, maybe you can put on a figure that shows how your product will look like, so that people can see and relate to it. Then the various parts, like what are the components of the product, what has been added into it. Then functioning, so how it actually functions, how the work is done through it. Then the facilities, when it comes to market, then what purposes, what benefits it will cause to people. And then the conclusion. So by the conclusion we mean you can sum up how soon you can launch the product, or what is the total cost, and how this product is different maybe from the others. So you can actually just divide your content into the main heads, into the main points, and then you can discuss them one by one. Maybe for every 2 minutes you can just distribute your content, and then you can tell about the whole description in a very short time. That's all about preparing an outline and its importance in presentation. Thank you.